Hey guys, welcome to Rolling Homestead, and today I want to talk and show you a great way to feed your birds and use the resources on the homestead, so stick around.
This place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me.
Alright guys, thanks for coming back, and sorry that I've not been putting out many videos, but the garden has been going ballistic. We've been doing a lot of harvesting, and I'm trying to get some of the videos that are meaningful that I haven't seen out there, as no one has really done. But here's one of them. I'm always thinking, you know, that I'm looking for ways to use all the resources on the homestead. I'm trying to have a multi-purpose for everything. And one of the things that we bought this year on the homestead was a chipper, so that we could make the chips for the compost pile and for around the areas in the garden and stuff like that. And because of my previous farming background, I was thinking, I've got all that sweet corn, and that's good, healthy food for the birds. So why don't we try that? So that's what I did. And this is what it comes out to be looking like. And I tried it yesterday, came out this morning, and they had it all gone. So obviously, they like it. So what you get is kind of like silage.
Around the corner.
And it looks like, you know, this is what it looks like. And they'll dig through that and they'll get whatever they need and want. And it's really simple. Problem is, yeah, it's a little bit wet. I should not be doing it right now. I just wanted to try it out. I should wait till it gets a little bit drier. Because one thing with silage and moisture content, I could not save this. I do save all my feed bags. So if I get it dry enough, I could probably put it in my feed bags and save it through the winter. But they're going through it so quick. I got the knives on here open up as far as possible so that I wasn't making a fine dust mulch.
Those things are handy.
It's off. So it's a really good way to make some nice chicken food for your chickens. And with the size of the, I'm only pulling out 12, 13 stocks at a day, and that's enough to feed my birds for one day. Pretty simple way. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take you over there and we're gonna show you. Hunter, you wanna grab the bag?
Grab the bag.
Now we get to videotape Hunter.
Me?
Yeah. Say, Hunter, say hi to all my YouTubers.
Hey. Very dead body.
Hey. Hey, stop here. We gotta stop at this one. That's the. So here's the first batch that we jump off. Yeah, tick, 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 tick. Look at them come and run. Yeah, tick, 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 tick. All right, Hunter. Here, carry the bag. So there, you guys, you see, they just love that, and it's good for them too.
Yeah,
It's sweet corn.
Yeah, I feel like I'm dragging a dead body.
Hunter, you're not dragging a dead body. See, and Ross is telling that it's all okay.
He's okay. Richard tried to kill me yesterday. He jumped at me.
And then there's a famous little ghost. Come on, bring me the bag, Hunter. Russ, ain't that heavy? Never make Santa Claus.
What?
Here, guys. Here, birdie birdies.
And just watch them. They'll come. They'll come to get it. They'll come to get the corn. Is there a hole in there?
No.
Good.
There, guys, is a really good way
To feed the chickens.
feed your birds, and multiple different birds. No, they still have their normal feed, and I came out here this morning and it really wasn't that empty, and I was kind of surprised, but then I looked over and the piles are gone. Now these birds right here are only 9 weeks old for meat birds, and we've been feeding them all the garden scraps. So if you think about it, and they're getting to the point down there, you can see them down there sparring. They're going to be nice sized birds this time. Here they come. Pretty cool.
And they can find ground up corn. If they can really find it.
You have one on the bait pile. And you got all the rest over here, and they're hiding in the. And I do put ash down here. That's just from the smokehouse, so that they can go in and dust off. But These guys are just about 10 weeks old. And they're pretty nice size already for meat birds. Kind of funny how they all stick together though, even.
Behind you.
Oh yeah, there's another one. Kind of funny, they all think they're missing something, even though they all got the same stuff. Don't you guys?
I bet there's fish. Ready?
There's the famous ghost.
You get like touch a chicken and pet it. Just pet it 1 time. And touch 2 chickens.
You see how fast in here, then both were piled up, and that's how quick that they ate through that one. And they'll do the same on that one. So like I was saying, guys, I'll give you a walk around here.
Wait, what?
Show you what we've been doing.
Look at it, it's a step down. Whatever, look at this. Fine, folks, I step down.
Here, Hunter. Shh. So this is my overflow, but this is actually my squash. And if you can see back in there, right back in there, there are some gigantic squash in here. I'll put some pictures up on there to show you some of them, but this is what we've been dealing with. They just went overboard, and it's way over here into my compost bins, and so are my chickens. But there's the corn that I'm taking from, and then the beans are going nuts. Everything is coming around really nice. We're getting plenty of stuff. There's the sunflower. And it does help because I got irrigation right behind me, and if the wind is right, waters my garden. So that's that big irrigation sprayer you're seeing behind you. So anyway, I don't know if that's gonna work. Come on, buddy.
Don't go big at me. That next colder. Oh, this is so good. Flashing. What we have is a mountain like, that's very hot.
In here, this is the morning picking from this morning. And we got to do that every day, sometimes twice a day. And then our new girls. And maybe a boy, Hunter.
Yeah.
So here we got the little guys here. So we've been really busy with everything going on here. So guys, if you can, and you can think outside the box and you have the opportunity to use things to help yourself on the homestead, by all means do it. This is just some of the ideas that I see that I could use and benefit from. So that was because of the size of our garden and because I want to make the compost break down a lot quicker. I'll put all of the garden material through here and then into the compost pile for the winter to help it break down, because otherwise there'd be just so much there. It would take years and years to compost down. So it really helps us to get the right amount of compost that we need every year. Great way of doing things. And the other thing is just because of the being such a hot summer and everybody's having to water, I was blessed by God with a big field behind me and the irrigation systems. It all just kind of blows over, so that has helped us out this year tremendously in this heat. So I hope this helps or give you some thinking thoughts in there. And I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thanks for coming by and watching us. And like I said, sorry that I've not been doing a lot of videos. Been really, really busy besides my normal job that we're on overtime on and working 10 hours a day and sometimes Saturdays to the garden. So there's a lot to do. So I haven't been able to get as many videos out as I want to. But we will be getting a lot more going this fall. Plus we have our live streams on Saturday nights at 7 p.m. either on Micro Homesteaders channel or my channel. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. You guys all take care. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. You snap this plastic.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away.